guys, today we just have a little video here. This is like an Ethernet or a USB adapter. Now we get some people asking about the head unit, and they say, hey, I'm trying to do CarPlay and also hook the head unit to like a Wi-Fi like network. Now this Wi-Fi like network a lot of the time could end up being like Starlink. So if it isn't like Starlink, it could be just like a Wi-Fi like router they have in the car. And then the reason why our head units can't hook to that like Wi-Fi network and a wireless CarPlay or like Android Auto is our head units only have like one Wi-Fi point. As soon as your phone's like Bluetooth like hooks in, the head unit goes, oh, phone's here, so let's drop whatever like Wi-Fi signal I have, and let's try and use it like Wi-Fi like signal to connect to the phone to run a wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. There's one way like around it if you wanted to have internet like on the head unit, is you could put like a SIM card in it. But some people have already got like a router in their car. Now this like router could be powered by like a Starlink, or it could be a SIM card router as well. And like they want to be able to hook that to our like head unit, and that is where this comes in. So this allows you to take the Ethernet port of the router that's in your car, or if it's like Starlink, that's going to seem to be quite common, plug it into here, and this is going to give internet to our head unit the whole time. It's all pretty straightforward. What you need to do here is you need to plug this into here, like so. Now I'm just going to show you here by opening up Chrome. There it is. And I'm just going to bang on here just so you can see we have no internet currently. No internet connection, you can see currently at the top. I could try and bang something in and it's just not going to work. So we've got no internet. That's cool. Now, your router at the back, this is like an Aussie broadband, like one up here. It's going to have some of these ports here, Ethernet ports. Grab one of like those. I'll show you the Starlink one in a second. But basically you're going to get that sort of cable. And that's going to plug into the back of that USB to Ethernet. So here, that's going to plug into here. You probably missed a picture, but just keep an eye on up here on the head unit. You can see, oh, there we go, back on line. Now it's all working again. We've got this, a little like symbol up here, which means it's hooked like wired internet. 2 arrows with a dash in the middle. That's it plugged in. You can see the flashing lights happening here. And now we have internet coming straight through onto here. It would be interesting to actually speed test it. Don't have to do that. There we go. And you can see we're getting some decent speed internet there coming through. So that is a way how you can get a Starlink or a router's internet coming through onto here. Sorry, just on the Starlink, if you do have, this is the old school Gen 2 router, but obviously there's no Ethernet port here, so you have to actually buy the Ethernet like adapter that's Starlink sells, or if you have like this is one of our setups that we're about to release. Obviously 12 volt goes into here. That goes to your Starlink dish. This here can power this Wi-Fi 6 smart router. Very small, and this could be the Ethernet that you're plugging into the head unit. So depending on what your setup you have with your sort of Starlink, you're gonna need to have an Ethernet port coming off.